All right, thank you for checking out my YouTube video. And we're in Detroit, a new center area. You can see that bigger building right there. That's the Fisher building. But I'm gonna show you Pallister Street. I'm gonna take a walk right down here. You're gonna see some nice homes, nicer part of Detroit. If you like this video at the end, please give me a like. But this is February 9th or 10th. See a historic new center. It's not that bad today. It's like 50 degrees, so that's really good for us. And in the summertime, you know, obviously there'd be leaves on the trees and all that. But it's there. That's the Fisher building right there. So that's your view from this area. And it's a nice day. So I decided to take a walk. I'll show you some of these houses. Another, if you want to know what this is too, that right there is Woodward Avenue, if you're familiar with Detroit. And that's Fisher building, and then West Grand Boulevard. So if you're familiar with Detroit, that's where I'm at right now. Kind of by Henry Ford Hospital. I believe Henry Ford Hospital is over there. With nice bricks. But you know, Detroit sometimes gets a bad reputation for being a dangerous city. And I like doing these videos just to get them out on YouTube to show that there are a lot of neighborhoods like this in Detroit with nice houses. You know, I'm in Detroit almost every day. And most of the city, in my opinion, is good. I see some cities in the United States going downhill, unfortunately. But anyways, you know, I'm not going to try to like video at these people's houses. So just stay in the center. Bigger houses out here. And in my opinion, if you're in Detroit or want to move to Detroit, new center area is a really nice area. I'm not really too sure about like the prices of these houses. But I did hear that the rent is has gone up. Like it's like what did they say? One of the highest in the nation for rent increase is Detroit. So even though I feel like it's very affordable here compared to the rest of the United States, it definitely is. The rent is going up. But like to own a house like this, it'd be hard for me to say how much it is. I would say like maybe that brown one right there, maybe like 400K, 500K. But it could be as low as 300. But anyways, it's a nice area. Hear the freeway traffic a little bit. I'll turn around a little bit. Just like that. It's a nice day though for us here in Detroit, 50 degrees for February. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Be kind of a shorter video, maybe 5 minutes. Let me know what you think. I got other videos of Detroit too, and Michigan. And feel free to subscribe. I'm very thankful for my subscribers. Almost 1,400. I never thought I'd get over 1,000. But once the weather starts getting better, I'll be doing more videos around Detroit and around Michigan. We're gonna make a left up here right where these chains are. They don't want people driving on this road. So that's Pallister. Well, that's actually Pallister Street, but they call us Pallister 2, and that's the lodge over there. High rise, high rise. See some of the hospital over there, Henry Ford Hospital. And I'll turn around, and that's it. That's gonna be the thumbnail right there for my YouTube video. So let me know what you think in the comments below.